Today, I'm going to show you how to create these Universal Studios inspired house crest ornaments. Okay, so the things we will need to create our ornaments are our ornaments. So you can choose just your house color, all the house colors, whatever. I picked these up at Michael's. They were on sale. I'm also going to put a link in the description down below to similar ones, so then that way you can get whatever ornament you would like. And if you can't find the colored ornaments like this, you could definitely use a clear one, and then you can glitter the inside to whatever color you want it to be, and I will put a card up top to show a video where we use the glitter so you know how to do that. Okay, so the other thing we're going to need is some glitter glue. Now, I am using a very specific brand. This is Stickles glitter glue, and the reason I'm using this is you're able to use it on any surface. A lot of them like a porous surface, and because this is a smooth surface, we wanted one that was going to stick. Also, this one does not spread out, so it gives a little bit more dimension when you use it versus other types. So that's why we're using this one. And finally, we will need our house crest printed on sticker paper or printable vinyl, and we will be able to create whatever house we'd like. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take our label or little house crest here that I printed on printable vinyl and then had my Cricut cut out. We're going to take that and we are just going to place it onto our ornament. Okay, so once we get our house crest on, we are then going to take our glitter glue and we are going to go around the edges. Now, I am basing this off of an ornament that I saw at Universal Studios, and they were going for like $24 or something like that. So I'm going to make the pattern around this very similar to the ones that I saw at Universal, and I'll put that picture in now. So feel free to take a screenshot so that you can mimic it if you're going to make these ornaments. And we're just going to go around and do the same type of design. And as you can see, we get a really great look that is very similar to the kind that you can find at Universal Studios. And once all of our ornaments have dried, there you have it, our Universal Studios inspired Hogwarts Crest Ornaments. These would be a great addition to your Christmas tree or a really awesome Christmas gift for one of your friends. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.